we're gonna go do the music video, so I'm taking you with me. Yesterday I washed all my brushes so they can be completely 100% clean and sanitized. Of course, if you're going to be doing makeup on someone else, you want to clean them for them, and of course if you're going to reuse them on you, you must wash them afterwards. It's only hygiene. So since I'm doing the hair, I packed some hairspray. You always want to have, of course, something to take off makeup if something goes wrong. You definitely want to take that. I'm taking some cream, hydration cream. That's for the eyes and the mouth. If she needs any hydration in any part of her face, I can just dab that on there. Then I'm taking mints, guys. I've always had this thing about every time I'm going to do someone's makeup, I want either gum or mint. Because, you just get up in their face, and sometimes I just rather make it pleasant than not. Now I'm taking my hair straightener, which I'm going to be doing some really light curls. And then here I have my, this is, what's it called? To sharpen your pencil. Here I've got my setting powder, TV glam or video glam. You need to set that in place. I'm also taking here all what would be my makeup, the makeup that I'm going to be using on her. So, and I have this because I definitely want to hydrate her skin beforehand and afterward. So I'm taking like 3 different mascaras because we're going to be doing a crying shot, and we're going to try which one runs the best. And then I'm taking this because this is actually like a little primer for under your eyes, which is going to give a really good lifting effect and hydrate her under eyes. We're taking some natural colors because I'm definitely going to be using these two. I just have my contour palette from Kat Von D. And hey guys, so I'm waiting for the tram and we're going to the house. We've gotten an Airbnb. And basically the guys are setting up already. I think they're setting up lights and a smoke machine. So I'm going there now for 2 o'clock, which we're gonna set everything up for the makeup, everything good. And I'm wearing my black mask, of course, so I can match with my outfit. Afterwards, the actress, she's going to be arriving. So I'm gonna get her hair and makeup ASAP. Basically, because I only have 40 minutes to get that makeup done and her hair done. So I'm really looking forward to that. We're gonna do the first scene. We're gonna have so much fun doing it, and it's gonna come out so well. I'm sure it is. And once it does, I really want to show you guys what it looks like. So hopefully they'll give me the permission, and I'll be able to show you what the music video is like. And I'll probably be able to link it down below in my description box when I air this. It's probably gonna be out anyway, so go check it out. It means the world. And yeah, go support, give it a like. I'm going to be shooting anything I can while I'm working, so let's get to that. Hey guys, OMG, I'm so excited. We're recording scene number 2 today, and I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a really cool shot scene. So I'm going to be doing the makeup not only for the girl this time, but the girl and the guy. Great actors, great people to work with. The first time I had so much fun with everyone. Everyone was so sweet and kind. Everyone liked the makeup, which is the most important. So I'm really excited to show you and bring you behind the scenes what it looks like to record a music video. So come along with me. We're ready to roll. And I have my bag here full of the makeup and the stuff we're gonna need. So I'm really excited about that.